Are you saying start chatting instead of your usual conversations on WhatsApp? This video will guide you through some troubleshooting steps. First, confirm that you are logged into your correct WhatsApp account on your device. If not, you can go ahead and switch your account or log out and log into the specific one. If you've recently reinstalled the app or switched phones, you might be seeing a new WhatsApp setup without your old chat history. So you need to verify if your chats were backed up. If you previously backed up your chats to Google Drive or an Android device, you might be able to restore them by uninstalling or reinstalling WhatsApp and then verifying the same phone number and the Google account. If you do not find one, you can click on these three dots in the top right corner, then select settings, scroll down, select chats, then select chat backup, and here C for your Google account. Make sure that you have selected the correct Google account where you have backed your WhatsApp backup. And if start chatting appears because your contacts are missing, you need to check your WhatsApp contact permission as well. So tap and hold onto the WhatsApp application, tap on the eye icon in the top to go to the app info, here go to permissions, and ensure that WhatsApp has access to your contacts. You can also clear WhatsApp cache by going to the storage setting, click on clear cache. Now restart your phone and reopen WhatsApp. If your old chats are still gone, avoid repeatedly clearing WhatsApp storage or uninstalling the app unless you're certain you have a backup. Clearing app data can delete local information that hasn't been backed up. So finally update your WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. Open your Google Play Store on your device. Use the search bar, then search for WhatsApp. And if you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. Unfortunately, if you do not have any backup of your previous chat, WhatsApp may not be able to recover those messages. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.